What I have in front of me right now is Adspy, you guys. I am currently paying $100 a month for Adspy and Minea. As you can tell, I have these two here. So let's kind of just go into the differences between the both of them and see which one that you should get. Now, I'm gonna just keep it 100. I'm gonna just keep it 100 real quick, you guys. The short answer is get Minea. The short answer, the TLDR, get Minea. The reason why Minea is better than Adspy is because Minea has TikTok as well as Instagram. TikTok and Instagram advertisements, and you can also take a look at their shop profiles and stuff like that. You can take a look at the shop analysis on Adspy, and you don't necessarily need to have the business account. The business account for Minea is $400 a fucking month, you guys. That's crazy. I think eventually I will get this, remaining 49 spots left this month. I will get this like I wouldn't say soon, but I'll give it probably about another month or so, and then I'll probably get it just to see how good it is. But you can kind of do the same with Adspy. So let's just take a dive at this real quick, right? So with Adspy, once again, this is only for Facebook, right? Site type, so Facebook or Instagram, right? And let's just type in BlendJet, right? Or portable. Let's just type blend Magback. Actually, let's look at Magback. Magback has been killing it lately, so let's look at Magback. No results. Clear all, and let's just do something simple, right? Daily likes. Let's just date likes, right? So if you just do this from the likes here, this is another reason right here, right? Like one thing that I dislike. Look at this: 14 million likes, 15 million likes. Jesus daily, Jesus Christ, that's actually crazy. China daily, Chinese people join the conversation. Let's see what this is about. That is kind of crazy. That's kind of cool. And then look at this shirt here, right? This is another.
Welcome to our VIP customers, Mr. Bokar, and all the distinguished board members to the Minea Huawei booth. It's so great to be here.
Got this here. So, oh my God, what the fuck? So you're gonna see a lot of everything on this right here, right? So Adspy is everything that's been advertised on the Facebook platform, and as you can tell, this was created in 2019 and last seen on 2021. These are the top liked posts on Facebook and Instagram, you guys. 15 million likes, 1.4 million shares for this Jesus content right here, you guys. I don't like the way that Adspy is set up, you guys. It's just not intuitive. It's just too much going on. If you are somebody that, like, I quite honestly, I don't know who this is for. I really don't know who this is for, because if you're really trying to get this particular with your searches on Adspy, is it really worth $100? I don't see it being worth $100, because with all the stuff that you can search here, you can do the exact same thing here on Minea. You can do the exact same thing here on Minea. Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, and TikTok ads. You get that with Minea. I'm not sponsored by Minea. I'm not sponsored by anybody. And so I just think Minea is more modern. Minea is more modern. It's easier to use. Is less like filters, which to some people are like, you're just uneducated, you just don't know how to use the filters. Yeah, I'll admit it. Yes, I am uneducated in all of these filters. I don't know how to use it the best way, but even if I do, I just don't. It's just not worth it. If I can pay $100 for this product here and I get TikTok ads, TikTok is where it's at, you guys. TikTok has effectively changed the world, and so being able to see what's going viral on TikTok is paramount, especially when you're trying to get into e-commerce, especially Sorry, my cats are doing something. It's imperative to see this. Like, look at this right here, right? This is a product that just got launched today. Look at this. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? This is a product that just got a handlebar grip electric, right? Look at this. This is so important, you guys. This is so important. Having access to TikTok ads shows you the inadequacy of so many people. Somebody, y'all have seen this. I've seen this so many times already.
Coffee bar, counter cup, washer sink, high pressure spray, automatic faucet coffee. The ultimate solution for quick and easy cup washing. With its one-handed operation and Seiko quality construction, this cup washer is not only functional, but also stylish with a fashionable appearance that is easy to clean.
I can't tell you how many times I've seen this product right here, right? And it's back. It's back again. You know? Foreign cash lifestyle. What is this?
Yeah, how he does. Stuck in the fields, niggas, I love it.
Not bad, actually. Foreign cash flow. I want to see the TikTok ad. AliExpress. Nothing on AliExpress. And see, look, you can even find the product on AliExpress. Minea is made by dropshippers for dropshippers for e-commerce. Shows you the engagement, ads runway. So this has been running for about a year, or about a year straight, and it's in the UK. This is amazing. 78 downloads, 23 shares, 185,000 plays, 53,000 likes, 34 comments. Something don't seem right about this, actually. How do I shop it now? And not to mention, you can download the video. Now for Adspy, let's just find a product. Let's just try to find a product, right? So created between, let's just do two weeks, right? Right? Created between these two, right? So, and then let's change it to English. Let's change it to English. Okay? We change it to English, and now we're doing it by likes. Let's see if we can find e-commerce product here. Now, this is interesting because we're seeing a lot of things unrelated to e-commerce. We're just seeing ads from Facebook in general, you guys. So you're going to be scrolling quite a bit just to find, you know, some actual like products. For someone who, you know, has multiple jobs, like myself, I have 3 jobs. I don't have much time to, you know, spend on product research and other things. I want to get straight to the meat. Like, I don't want to have to scroll this far for shit. And here's the deal. I know I can type in here, you know, comments, URL, add text, you know, I could type in good product, right? Let's see. Add the filters, good product. Here it is. Here's something. Let's take a look. May 11th to May 17th. Athletic pickleball. What is this?
My husband and I recently decided to take up pickleball together, and of course we had to hit the court in style, so we bought Athletic Sky pickleball paddle.
It's kind of weird that it just stopped in the middle of her talking, but you know, hey, who am I? And here you go, Athletic again, pickleball. Looks like they're paying people, influencers, ads, buyers, media, and with the introduction of AI, this person adds, buyers, media. This guy again with it, richest of thoughts, aromatherapy. This shit will never go out of style. Here go this guy again. So, you know, and then let's do the same over here, right? Let's go to TikTok. And let's type in good product. Good product. Search text by keywords. Let's see here. Good product. Look at this. Nothing but e-commerce related content. Straight on TikTok. Straight on TikTok, you guys. Nothing but, like, look at this. What is this?
Want to create a peaceful environment? Then stop scrolling. Now I can enjoy the soothing sounds of rainfall. This thing is so easy to use, also helps to purify the air. Enhance the ambience of your room. Get yours now?
This guy paid. Let's look at it. Let's look at this. Let's see the TikTok ad. 7K plays for 33 likes. Minea, because I get to see so many platforms do this shit. Let's find another one. Right? Let's find another one. Look at all these healthcare products. Let's find something that's actually doing good, right? Okay. This one. Let's take a look at this one. Let's take a look at this one. This is scaled up to 178,000 likes, right? And avita.com. Right? Looks like they're making a decent amount of money. Let's check out the source though. Let's view this. Let's view the source. View page source. And we're gonna Control F shop. Huh. Okay. It's not on. No. Okay. I guess it's not on Shopify. This is like a legit website. Not saying Shopify isn't a legit website, but I actually created this from code. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for either a Shopify, a WordPress, or a website hosting platform on here, but it looks like this was more than likely custom made. And it doesn't look much different than a Shopify page, which makes Shopify even better, you guys. Like, this is, you know, Shopify is fucking amazing because it does this and more. So this is interesting. See shop analysis. Let's take a look at the shop analysis. This is where the business account will come in handy, right? And this is something that AdSpy kind of does, but once again, if you can't even find the fucking products on AdSpy, what's the point? What's the point of having a feature of looking at what the shop is doing if you can't even, if there's not even enough fucking shit to look at, right? So no data found for this page. Doesn't mean that they're not selling. It just doesn't, you know, doesn't want to give me the data at the moment. We'll look at one more, you guys, and put in the comments down below if I'm just not giving AdSpy a fair chance, you guys. I just don't see, Minea is just so much better in every way. I watched several videos on YouTube for people talking about AdSpy and like, you know, it's good, you can do this, I prefer it over, and I thought too, I'm like, you know what, how about if I'm gonna be mostly putting advertisements on the Facebook, why don't I get the platform that is for Facebook and Instagram? And that's AdSpy. And then I was like, you know what? I'm not even finding shit on here, you know? And maybe if I knew how to do the filters a little bit better, if I spent the time learning how to do the filters, maybe I could find some good products. But that's just the thing, right? I don't have to do that with Minea. And here's the deal. Once I do learn how to use the filters, if I'm already getting this plethora of information and product ideas without having education on how to use the filters, once I learn how to use the filters, fucking Minea is gonna go stupid mode on me, right? I'm gonna find ridiculous amounts of inspiration and products and analysis and data, right? Whereas AdSpy, you know, I'm starting up here with Minea, and AdSpy I'm starting down here. So once I learn the technical skills that I need to in order to make my ad skill and product research better, it's gonna be up here, right? You know, so I just feel like Minea is just so much better. AdSpy is not doing it. AdSpy at this point, you know, it shouldn't cost $100. It shouldn't. But if you're going to spend $100, you guys, just go for Minea. Just go for fucking Minea. And here's the deal. You're paying $100 for Minea so that you can look at the TikTok ads. Because with the regular plan with Minea, you're getting Facebook and Instagram content. you're just paying an extra $50 a month to look at TikTok ads, which is fucking important, you guys. You got to see what the competition is doing out here. You got to see the inadequacy of your competition out here so that you can do so much better. You know what I'm saying? Or you can steal their ideas.